So YouTube, today I got a new product. Now is a multi-tools. It's pretty cool. As you can see, it comes with two different sizes. In my description, I will have a link and where to buy. Check it out. Get it open. Okay. Start with the small one. Comes with his own little holder. You can clip it on your, not clip, you can put it on your belt. Okay. Look at that. Nice color. So, get it open. Looks real nice. As you can see, it starts like a pliers. Nice grip. Pretty cool. Now, as you can see, got those three tools on one side. Flathead, got like a type of saw, have a blade. Go to the other side, you have a filer, can opener, or bottle opener, another flathead. As you can see, these are the tools on the small one. Pretty cool. The color, it's beautiful. Okay, close that one up. And the big one, same thing, comes with his own little pouch. Put in your belt. Look at that. That is nice. Okay. Those are your pliers. Very nice. As you can see. Almost everything just like the smaller one, but just in bigger tools. The other side. Got your knife. It's almost all the same. Okay. As you can see, it's very cool. I can see. Very nice, very nice. Very smooth. It's good to have. You know, you can use it. Well, hopefully this helped you to choose. I will have in my description where to buy. Thank you. Like and subscribe.